6,000 foot cloud base, rolling in 2,500 feet, and hopefully we'll get some rolling in today, but we can fly right down to 1,000 foot cloud base if the weather is poor. Cameras at the ready to the left hand side for a bend in Diamond 9.
Look
the
at
flat
that.
split.
Wow. Brilliant. Just classy. As we do about the choreography of the display and the formation.
Oh yeah, I've seen this happen.
Oh, wow.
Look left again and left right for the final return of Synchro. Again closing at over 800 miles an hour, aiming to pass just 100 feet from each other. Left and right for Synchro on the count. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's an oblique loop, right on the very edge of the horse performance, to miss not once, not twice, but 3 times by just 100 feet. As the team barrel around in front of you and exit to the left. At the back of the formation, squad leader Martin Higgins. Higgins is tornado. Commander on 43 squadron at the end of this season. Smoke on. Across the back of the Helix and call the formation out into line abreast, tango formation. The team will use the power of their Rolls-Royce Ador engines to change formation before passing in front of you in line abreast to complete the Helix. And it's easily clear in front of you. Keep your eyes to the right-hand side, for once again the return of Jippo. 6 is now flying inverted, while red 7, 8 and 9 fly close formation around an inverted barrel roll at -2.5 degrees, mirror roll. side. You look out to the right-hand side now, ladies and gentlemen, out to the right-hand side for the return of Enid formation. And as Enid return, not only do we pride ourselves in flying immaculate close formation, but we're now going to break out of and return to close formation in under 10 seconds in the rollbacks. Ladies and gentlemen, the Jippo break. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2007 Red Arrow.